tell us a bit about yourself.
My name is Marc Metal. I come from Paris.
Bonjour. So what are you going to do for us today?
I have a special guest for you.
Okay.
Can I invite?
Sure.
Yeah. Just for you, Miss Wendy. Come on. Sit down. Okay, you can't fall down. Don't worry. Isn't she lovely? Hello, I am Marc Metal. I am 61 and I come from Paris.
How are you feeling about today?
Well, you know, when you work with a live dog, it's always,
Anything can happen.
yeah, fragile. I grew up in a little village in France and my parents was peach farmers. It was a hard life. If you like fish, I can bring you a good one.
So what kind of dog is Wendy?
It's a Rottweiler. I have this dog since he has 2 months. Without air, I will be nothing. You think about your audition? Everything gonna be alright, no? Viviane, my wife, she told me you are crazy to make a British Got Talent. But to play in front of royal family, for me, it's like a dream. I'm always dreaming, even at my age.
Whenever you're ready.
Hey, you can say good evening. You speak English? It's my knife. Come on, hey, say something.
No.
But why not? It's fantastic, come on. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Yes.
Oh my God.
No, listen. English?
Sí.
Spanish?
Oui.
Français?
Okay.
Hey, Wendy, listen to me. You think I am stupid?
Yes.
So, well, you don't want to speak anymore?
No.
Okay. And now?
Oh yes, I want.
You know how to sing?
No.
What?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Quiet.
Well, we'll listen to you.
Meow.
It's bow wow, eh? You understand?
Meow.
Music, please. We're gonna sing something for you, all right? Okay. Don't look at me. Look at the audience like that. Feelings. Come on. Nothing more.
Nothing.
More.
No.
Trying to forget. All together, okay?
No.
Please, come on. This is pretty good talent, okay? All together. Feeling.
Ah, yeah.